Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add free shipping on your Shopify account. As you see guys, it's very easy, so let's get started. As you see guys, first guys, after you creating your Shopify account and verify your account, then go directly to settings and the bottom on the right and the left. Then guys, hit on settings. Then guys, go directly and the toolbar and on the left side, go directly to shipping and delivery section. Then tap on shipping and delivery. Then guys, scroll to manage on the right side. The general, it is manage your shipping delivery. Then hit on manage. As you see guys, this is shipping zone that you have already shipped. Then if you want to make it all free shipping or you want to remove it all, just there is 3 dots on the right side and hit on these 3 dots. Then you can delete on edit rate. For example, to this one it's $4.90. Then if you want to make it free shipping, it's very easy. Just tap on these 3 dots on the right side, then hit on edit rate. Then you can make it 0, then the top make it standard or express or economy. For me, always I choose standard. Then on the bottom, hit on done. As you see guys, automatically it will be free. Again, 3 dots, edit rate, then 0, then it's free. Then if you want to remove it and you want to use it, just tap on these 3 dots and delete. Again, 3 dots and delete. As you see guys, it's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.